Struggling to find Namecheap's business card maker? Stop hunting for it. I'll show you exactly where to click to design a pro card fast. You don't need any fancy design software or an outside designer. Everything you need is already inside your Namecheap account. So here's the plan. We'll start on the Namecheap homepage, then navigate through marketing tools, design tools, and the card maker itself. Once we're inside, I'll walk you through setting up your details, your contact info, and your logo. By the time we're done, you'll have a custom business card ready to go in just a few minutes. All right, let's open up your browser and head straight to the Namecheap homepage. You probably already have an account if you're watching this, so go ahead and log in if you aren't already. I'll wait right here. Now, look at the top navigation bar. You'll see a bunch of menu items, but the one we want is Marketing Tools. Go ahead and click that. This is where Namecheap hides all their good stuff for promoting your business, and I've tested this plenty of times, so I know exactly where we're going. Once the Marketing Tools page loads, you'll see a few different options. You want to find the one that says Design Tools. Click on that. This section is specifically built for creating visual assets, so it's perfect for what we're doing. And here's the really important part. Look for the option labeled Business Card Maker. Click that first button. This will take you to a landing page that explains what the tool does. It might look like they're trying to sell you on it, but trust me, we're just getting ready. On this new page, you'll see a big button that says Business Card Maker again. Click that one too. This is the second time you're clicking it, but think of it as confirming your choice. It's just how the navigation works. Now you'll see an option that says Create Business Cards. Click that. This launches the actual editor. It might take a moment to load, so just give it a second. Once it opens, you'll see a blank canvas and a menu on the side. All right, here's where we actually start building. On the left-hand menu, you'll see a section called Your Details. Click on that. This is where you put in your name, your job title, and your company name. I always recommend typing your full name the way you want it to appear in person, not a nickname. Once you've filled that in, look for the Continue button at the bottom and click it. This saves your details and moves you forward. Next up, click on Contact Info. This is where you add your phone number, email, and website. Make sure your email is spelled correctly. I can't tell you how many times I've seen a typo on a printed card, and it's just frustrating. Double check it before you move on. When that's done, click Continue again. Now we're at the Logo section. Click on Your Logo. You can either upload an image file you have saved on your computer, or if you don't have one yet, Namecheap sometimes offers simple logo options. Just pick whatever feels right for your brand. Once you've got your logo in place, click the Go Back button. This returns you to the main menu so you can review everything you've put together. And that's it. You've just created a professional business card using Namecheap's built-in tools. No external designer needed. From the homepage to a finished card in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.